Good morning all. My name is Esrinivasarao. I have done a project on Garda drug test and I am going to explain some important query which I felt little bit difficult while executing and while processing it. And firstly, for doing my project, I have created an ERD diagram which is entity relationship diagram using entities such as Garda and drug test, and these are the attributes, and I have designed a relationship, and you can see this is the ERD diagram. And let's go into the topic straightly. And this is the question where I felt a little bit difficult, not little bit, but the logic is very minute thing, and which is find the Garda with the highest number of drug tests. And in first line of code, I have used select G into count of dt.garda id as test count. This part of the query is selecting all columns in G. G is nothing but Garda from the table named Garda. Additionally, it calculates the count of drug tests for each Garda id using the count function and aliases as it has test count. And next line of the code is from Garda G. This specifies the source table from which the data will be selected, and it gives it the alias G for easier reference in the query. And this third line of the query, which is left join drug test dt on g.garda id equal to dt.garda id, which is this performs a left join between the Garda table G and the drug test table dt based on the common column Garda id. A left join ensures that all rows from the left table Garda are included in the result, and matching rows from the right table drug test are included. Group by g.garda id. This groups that the result set by the Garda id column from the Garda table. This is necessary because we are calculating the count of drug tests for each unique Garda id. And in fifth line of code query, we have used order by test count desk DESC. DESC is nothing but descending order, and this orders the grouped result set based on the specified. This orders the grouped result set based on the calculated test count in descending order. The order by clause is used to sort the result set based on the specified columns, and in this case it's sorting by the count of drug tests in descending order. And at last we have used limit1, which is nothing but this limits the result set to only one row, since the result set is ordered by test count in the descending order. Using limit1 ensures that only the row with the highest test count will be included in the final result. That means only one row we will get result. And this entire query, which is this full query, retrieves information from the Garda table along with the count of the drug tests for each Garda id. It uses a left join with the drug test table, groups the result by Garda id, orders the groups by test count in descending order, and then limits the result to only the row with the highest test count. This is why I felt a little bit tricky and little bit confused to execute, and that's why I have explained this one to you guys, and thank you for giving this opportunity, Noel sir. Thank you.